These are the top 4 cheapest upgrades you can do to your truck, and I'm gonna explain why everybody should do them. Number 1, so when it comes to your vehicle, there are a few things, but nothing really cheap sticks out better than tint. For a driver passenger, which is the most requested thing we get at our tint shop, would be the driver passenger matching the back rear. The back rear is gonna be 20 to 25. We'll go ahead and match that for you, and we charge $164 for it. So that is one of the cheapest options you can do to your truck, just to give it that sleek look, matching alongside the back to the front. If you want to do the windshield, it's a tad bit more expensive, but a lot of people end up going with a band because doing anything to your windshield is, you know, a little bit illegal, but tint band's not. So if you want to do your tint band, that's another, I believe, $50 to $60. Now, tint's not the only thing we have at our 3M Pro Shop. That's right, Krietz is a 3M Pro Shop. We are able to do smoking taillights. We are able to do a paint correction, ceramic coat, which Devin's being very, very kind and letting me talk instead of doing his job. So I'll try to get done here pretty fast. We also have cat skin leathers. A lot of those get done here. I believe the tint shop is actually taking over the entire process of doing our cat skin leathers. So if you got tint, you want smoked taillights, you want ceramic coating, paint correction, anything really when it comes down to smoking the marker lights, anything like that, we can do it here at our tint shop. It's a very wide variety. Obviously you're going up in prices when you like hit that ceramic coating, or smoking the taillights isn't too crazy expensive, but that ceramic coating is a little bit more up there. But we have a wide variety of stuff that we are offering. But when it comes to cheap options to make your vehicle look sleeker, that DP, that we call it, the front driver passenger on the vehicle, is gonna be $164. So that is one of the cheapest options to get your truck looking so slick. So yeah, that's a really cool thing we do. We aren't just a dealership, we aren't just a custom shop. When we mean customs, we mean custom. So you can look at some of these vehicles here, getting the bumpers taken off of them for paint matching. We'll do exhaust. We've got our tint shop. We're reworking this entire system to make it fully customizable for you. So whatever you want to get done to your vehicle, we'll go ahead and make that happen. Boom, bullet antenna. It is the easiest way to make your truck look less busy, but kind of hard at the same time. These guys will run you, I mean, they're fully functional antennas. They'll run you anywhere from $35 to $50. And then install, don't pay somebody to install it. Just twist the thing off and then twist the bolt one back on. Pretty simple. But they do look very sleek. Nobody really likes those long antennas whipping around in the wind. They also, you know, can get caught in car washes. If you've got a lifted truck, it'll be the one thing making you not fit into the parking garage. And so, bullet antennas, I got one on my truck. Super, super slick way of just keeping your vehicle clean looking. At $50, why not? All right, bed covers. We did not lift this truck yet, but you can see how short this is. But bed covers. When it comes to bed covers, the soft ones like this, $150 to $250, depending on whether or not you go roll up and what company you go with, trifold roll up, and then obviously the company. But a soft one like this will range anywhere from $150 to $250 for the bed cover itself. Super, super easy way. Even though it's a soft one, I would recommend going with a hard, just so that, you know, if people are trying to get in or anything, depending on where you live or where you go on vacation, but also rain purposes, weather getting in. Hard ones are a little bit more resistant to that, but soft ones are $150. If you only got $150, $250, get a soft one. If you're a family person going on vacation, if you are somebody coming back from the grocery store, you don't want little things flying out of your bed, super, super cheap and easy way of preventing that, right? You can't get into a bed cover unless your tailgate's unlocked, and unlocking a tailgate without a key is a pain in the butt. It's really, really difficult. So get a bed cover. It's $150, $250 if you want a hard one. You're looking at more $299 to around, I mean, if you go electric, you're looking at like 30 grand. So that is number 3. On to number 4. This is the leveling strut. When it comes to rough country, you've got 2 different types of leveling kits. You've got spacer kits and these bad boys. When it comes to the leveling struts, you've got 4 different options. N3, this guy's an M1, so we'll level up from the N3. you've got V2s and then Vertex coilovers. The Vertex coilovers are gonna be a coilover shock within your strut. It's adjustable, really nice system. Gonna be way more expensive than this, the N3. Those are ranging from $350 to about $499, I believe. And then when it comes to the spacer kit, you're looking at $99, $100 for the materials. So when it comes down to it, leveling kits, struts, labor-wise, in total, you're looking, dependent obviously on the strut you go. If you go strut, $600, $700. You do a spacer kit, you do a strut, you're looking at the range of anywhere from about $1,000 to, if you do a Vertex or you go like Cognito or something like that, you can get up to like $7 grand. But beginning off an N3 strut, looking at more like $1,000. That is a leveling kit. Another very cheap and easy way to upgrade your vehicle, because with this, you can put all 33s with 20 by 9s. You can do 20 by 10s if you do some trimming. It just opens you up to a variety of different elements in which you can customize your vehicle. So leveling kit, definitely something that you should consider if you're doing a budget build. I mean, I've got one on mine. They look phenomenal. So I would go ahead and do this if you're looking to do a budget build. If you want a spacer kit, N3, give us a call here and we can go over kind of the differences of what you're looking at ride quality wise. All right, so if you want more info on tint, bed covers, bullet antennas, or leveling kits, or exhaust, or any of the other things you can think that are budget items you want on the truck, we would be more than happy to help you out. Give us a call here at 301-694-4642 or visit KrietzCustoms.com. And another quick thing before we end the video, obviously we've got massive wheels and tires here. A really exciting thing we're doing at the end of the year, if we hit 50,000 subscribers, we are giving away a set of Fuel 22 by 12s on 35-inch tires to any of y'all. All you've got to do is hit that subscribe button, get us to 50,000 subscribers, and those wheels and tires will be yours. So we'll talk to you guys in the next video or when you win those wheels and tires. See you guys later.